adjustment if you need, yeah? You see? That's Lico system.
Oh, wow.
Yeah? You open here, plus, minus, correct to that blade. Where is the chipping? No chipping.
Oh, okay. So this...
That scoring blade, first going, yeah? After that's going, main is cutting.
So this is the main blade.
That's main, and that scoring is doing that, no chipping, you see?
Oh, wow.
That's I buy. That did by myself, yeah? You see? That's press here. Material long, not move. Yeah, if you need long. You can long pieces cut. That's for long. That's up to 65 inches. You're cutting here. I working by that. See? To change blades.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Everything, yeah?
Right.
I'll show you. That's 3 tools what you need to change blades.